Hello everyone. Today we have 5 to the power of m plus 5 to the power of m equals to 500. M is the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. Our equation 5 to the power of m plus 5 to the power of m equals to 500. 5 to the power of m is common to the two terms, and if we bring it out, 5 to the power of n, open in bracket, 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of m is 1, and here plus 1 is equals to 500. So the next line becomes 5 to the power of m times 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, equals to 500. And to eliminate these two, we are to divide both sides by 2, that is, this over 2, and here over 2. So that 2 cancels out. What is left is 5 to the power of m equals to 250. So we're going to take log to base 10 on both sides, that is log 5 to the power of m equals to log 250. This m is the power, so we're going to bring it down to multiply the base, that is m times log 5 equals to log 250. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of m, which is log 5, that is m times log 5 over log 5, and log 250 all over log 5. Log 5 will cancel log 5, that will be 1. And 250, we can write it as 125 times 2. 125 is 5 to the power of 3 times 2. So in the place of 250, we're going to put 5 to the power of 3 times 2. So that m will be equals to log 5 to the power of 3 times 2 for 250 all over log 5. Again, log a times b is represented as log a plus log b. This is the form of this. So we're going to apply this here. So that m will be equals to log 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 all over log 5 over log 5 in separate fractions. And the next line becomes m equals to, this 3 comes down, becomes 3 log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 all over log 5. And log 5 can cancel out. What will be left will be m equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5. This is the value for m. And to verify this, let the value of m satisfy the original equation. From the original equation, 5 to the power of m plus 5 to the power of m equals to 500. And from here, we arrived at 2 times 5 to the power of m equals to 500. And if we substitute the value of m, it becomes 2 times 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 base 5. Can this be equal to 500? But a to the power of m plus n can be represented as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So our equation becomes 2 times 5 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of log 2 base 5. Can this be equal to 500? 5 to the power of 3 is 125 times 2, that is 250. 250 times 5 to the power of log 2 base 5. Again, log a base b, and if this log is raised by the base of b, it ends up becoming a. That is, b to log b will cancel out. What is left is a. So that 250 times 2 will be what we want to verify to be equals to 500, because 5 log to base 5 will cancel out. What is left is 2. 250 times 2, that is 500, is equals to 500. So it is true that the value of s is equals to 3 plus log 2 base 5 is correct. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.